वेलकम बैक फ्रेंड्स टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल द हिमालयन गुरु। फ्रेंड्स, हम बात करने वाले हैं ओरिजिन प्रोटोकॉल के ऊपर, साथ ही साथ ओजीएन टोकन जो इसका एक पार्ट है उसके बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे और बताएंगे कि इस पर्टिकुलर क्रिप्टो में आपके लिए क्या होने वाला है। साथ ही साथ डिस्कस करेंगे करंट मार्केट सिनेरियो, इसका करंट प्राइस एंड फ्यूचर में इसका क्या हो सकता है, उसके बारे में आज डिटेल डिस्कशन होगी। बट बिफोर दैट, इफ यू आर न्यू टू माय चैनल, प्लीज डू लाइक सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड आल्सो शेयर दिस वीडियो अमंग ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स। So let's start with this particular crypto, which is known as Origin Protocol and OGN token. So friends, Origin Protocol or OGN is an Ethereum token that powers the Origin platform, which aims to power decentralized and peer-to-peer marketplaces. So OGN can be used for staking, governance, and advertising on the Origin platform, which means OGN is an Ethereum token which powers the Origin platform. It also aims to power decentralized and peer-to-peer marketplaces. Now, it's again one of the type of decentralization crypto and peer-to-peer marketplaces. So OGN can be used for staking, governance, and advertising on the Origin platform. So this is what OGN token does. Also, Origin hope to see decentralized version of Airbnb user built on its platform, and Origin is a fully distributed team. Our 800 plus investors include top venture capitalists and cryptocurrency funds all over the world, which means Origin tokens are held over by 37,000 plus token holders, which they have mentioned on the official portal. So apart from this, what they are offering? Lower fees. Yes, why lower fees? Because centralized platform for music and art often charge incredibly high fees, leaving the creators with a small fraction of the value generated and causing consumer to overpay for goods and experiences. So traditional payment processes also charges significant fees. Now what Origin protocol does here, as a decentralized commerce reduce the power of middlemen and their ability to charge aggregate fees, both buyers and seller can share in the savings. With OUSD, Origin provides an alternative to high cost payment rails. Ordinary people and businesses can reduce costs and benefit from superior yields provided by OUSD. With Origin protocol provides you with lower fees on its decentralized platform and with the help of its OGN token. Second is a better incentive. Better incentive for what? As you know, centralized platform and financial institutions often have an antagonistic relationship with their customers. Fees are necessary to make these companies successful. This creates a perverse relationship where customers have no stake in the success they help create. In contrast, Origin enables everyone to own a piece of the network, which means if you are a member of Origin or OGN token, you will also receive a piece of the network, which means you are also a part of the profit. With fans and collectors can have a direct stake in the success of their favorite community with NFTs, which means if you are having NFT, you will certainly be benefited from that particular aspect. So the yield generated by OUSD is distributed fairly to all holders. The holders of OGN token can participate in governance to decide the future rules and direction of the network, and also have a stake in the success of Origin products, which means also when everyone owns a piece of the network, everyone is incentivized to help it grow and will certainly grow along with the protocol, which is getting increased day by day. And having said that, the third aspect is increased access. 2 billion people around the world are currently unbanked. They do not have checking accounts, credit card, LEP or Apple Pay. Whereas with the advent of cryptocurrency and the proliferation of inexpensive smartphone, now is the time to enable the unbanked to participate in decentralized commerce and finance. Anyone with a crypto wallet can participate in the NFT economy. Yes, that's well said, because if you are having an access to crypto, you can buy any NFT and you can participate in this particular Origin protocol. Also, it will give you the access. Users from all over the world are now able to access a stable currency with superior yields in OUSD. So also increased in the access of participation from the members who does not have that kind of financial stability. Now, more resilience. More resilience means decentralized finance lets users take control of their money. On the contrary, centralized systems fail to provide set of facilities which they are made for. Now in this particular instance, decentralized finance help you to take control of your money. They will be able to choose what assets to conduct business with and keep their savings in. Unlike in traditional centralized systems, funds cannot be seized and account cannot be shut down. DeFi is powered by smart contract and the code which minimize the need for trust, limits human intervention and misadventures. Now, apart from this, they have a large community of developers and supporters, as they have mentioned on their official portal, that on Facebook, which is also known as Meta, 1.8 thousand followers over there. Reddit, they have 7,000 approximately. Again, on Telegram, they have 27. So they have mentioned the number of members which they have on different social media platforms. Apart from this, they have region-specific channel of their Telegrams. So they have already mentioned on their official website as well. We discuss regarding Origin token price. So as I already mentioned, the token is an Ethereum-based token which powers Origin protocol. Current prices in Indian rupees is 48.07 is what it is showing on Coinbase. Friends, on WazirX, the OGN token prices in USDT it's 0.6356 and on Indian rupees it's showing as 50.787 rupees. A different platform, as I mentioned on you this regarding Coinbase, it's showing as 48.07, which means there is a little bit of price change in most of the exchanges and on the websites, which is normal. Now the market cap is 18.7 billion, volume is 1.9 billion, which is on the rising side, 1.26%, and circulating supply is 388.6 million OGN, 39% of the total supply, which is already mentioned here. Now trading activity is 59%, 41% is on the sell. Popularity, which is the number ranking, is like 87, which means it's on the below 100 line. That means 87 is a good number. All time price change in the 1 hour is 1.23% and price change in 24 hours is like 3.92%. Now 231.64 was the highest price for OGN token, which was on April 9th, 5:30 AM, as they have mentioned here. So friends, this is the live chart of OGN token. I have prepared some simple method to explain you. It's on the downside, which means it has already created a ATH on these particular areas, which I have already marked in different colors. So these areas indicated that it's on a very lower side, which means those who have already invested in this particular region or here, they are already in like good loss. So for them, only one rule suggests here, which is to hold, which means to hold for a long run, which will certainly give you a good amount of profit if you hold it for like 6 months or a year, because it's not going to be happen in an overnight or in a day or in a few days, but it is certainly going to happen in coming like 6 or 1 year. So I wanted to take an entry in this particular token. I would suggest this is the best time, because this is far below from its ATH, which was created in this month itself, because this is the price of like 3rd December. It was like almost 1.0654 US dollar, way below than this particular area which is mentioned here. You can easily check this. This is the difference. Friend, this is quite below from its recent ATH, which means if you wanted to take an entry, this is the best time for you to take entry, because these are the indication which shows that you can be easily take an entry. And by taking entry, which I am saying, you can take entry in bits and bits, because now if you are reluctant to take entry on this particular area, what you can do, you can wait for let it come down more, and you can make an entry point on this particular region which I am indicating. These are the region, because these are also the best support line here. So before this particular level, which is 0.5698, you can take one entry here, or you can take one entry here on the existing level, which is currently it's running. So these are the two areas where you can take entry and you can hold it for a long term, because this is going to be a major change when it comes to NFT, gaming or metaverse. These are the things which this particular protocol is having. So with the benefit of this much uniqueness in their protocol, this is certainly going to give you a good amount of profit in the coming years, because most of the crypto investors are investing their money on these projects like metaverse, like NFTs, gamings, because these are the projects which are currently popular in crypto market. If you wanted to invest in these such kind of project, Origin protocol is one good for you. So you can invest right now, or you can wait for like few days or a week to get this particular level to more down, like here, which I showed you just now. So these are the options which you are having now. Before investing your hard-earned money into crypto, please consult with your financial advisor. Also, please note, if you already bought this particular token on the ATH, which was already created a long ago in this month or in the last month, please have patience and hold it for your betterment, because if you hold it for a long time, this will certainly give you a good amount of profit in the coming term, in the coming time. Please mark my words, because in crypto, if you wanted to be successful, you need to learn to have that kind of patience. It won't happen in a day or in a week, but it will certainly happen in an over amount of time, which is yet to become and which is yet we are going to see in the future. So friends, this was regarding OGN token. As I have already told you, there are many things which needs to be considered from your end while investing your money in some coins or tokens, because this works on the total fundamentals of a crypto, fundamentals of a token, and fundamentals of any coin. If they have valid use case, if the fundamentals are very genuine, if they are working on that, developers are working on that, this particular any token or any coin will certainly give you a good amount of profit in the coming years, because the team is working on that particular project and the phase wise manner which they have already decided on their white paper. Having said that, if some token or some protocol is having a genuine use case, their fundamentals are strong, no one can stop that particular token or coin to get to the ATH which they have never imagined. So guys, be prepared and have patience, because if you are focused and you are having that kind of patience, you'll certainly succeeded in this particular crypto market. Otherwise, if you can't wait, you can't hold on for a long run, then crypto is not for you. So my advice, if you have invested in any token, in any crypto on their ATH, which is the all-time high point of any token or coins, you need to have that patience, because that patience will certainly give you a good amount of profit in the coming run. So friends, this was from my end regarding OGN token and Origin protocol. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please do like, share, subscribe my channel. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.